Hey everybody, it's Christopher Small with CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. Today, I want to talk about why, or remind you, I guess, that estate planning is not death planning. Before we get there though, if you need estate planning help, if you know someone else that might, if you have questions about anything, if you just want to chat, go to estatemeeting.com. Set up a time to talk with me over the phone or in person. It's free. estatemeeting.com. All right. So you ever have a meeting with some people and they're just like fun and they're totally cool and you hit it off and you like them? And this happened to me today. And when that happens, I tend to sort of get a little talky, and I start to share like a little bit more about my philosophy and sort of my woo-woo-ness about estate planning. And that happened a little bit today. Excuse me. And I was reminded that I really haven't talked about that here to you in a while. And the point, the title of this episode is that estate planning is not death planning. And I want to remind you of that again today, because I think too often we can just focus on the sort of the end thing that happens here, which is us dying, obviously, when we're doing estate planning. But when you really think about and approach your estate plan, it's not just about asset distribution. It's not just about who's going to get what. It's really, and this is the reason why I'm in estate planning for me, is because I have kids, right? And for me, this is not about who gets what. It's really about crafting something that will help create opportunity for future generations. Okay? Now, I know that's ambitious. You might be like, I don't care about this, whatever. But at the end of the day, the decisions that you make, the people that you appoint, the structure that you create for your estate plan is going to either make things easier and better and safer for your family, or it's not. It's going to expose them to risk. It's going to expose them to bad choices, and it's going to do those things. So when you approach estate planning, it's less about death planning, right? I mean, at the end of the day, it's just stuff, right? And maybe you care about your stuff a lot, that's fine. But, for me, I see my assets and the things that I'm creating and the things that I'm building as tokens of opportunity that I can then pass down to my children and hopefully my children's children, and maybe even farther down the line, to be able to promote a successful state of mind. So we just went pretty woo-woo on this today, but again, I want to encourage you to really think about the way that you approach estate planning and the way that you think about it. And it can have an aspirational aspect to it if you allow it. If you just focus on your dying, that's not that fun, but we are all going to die. So you can't get around that. You not thinking about it, you not planning for it, is going to make your family any safer or any better or any more well off or any more well equipped to handle life when you're gone. So you might as well take advantage of your opportunity and ability to plan for it, to set things in place that protect your family, and to do the right thing. So hopefully this makes sense. Hopefully it's not too woo-woo. Hopefully it's not too out there. But again, if it brings up questions or comments or thoughts, and you want to talk about them more, or you have finally decided to take the next step with your estate plan, you can set up a time to talk with me for free at estatemeeting.com. 30 minutes, in person, over the phone, doesn't matter to me. Talk about your family, your goals. I'll give you some ideas and help you make an informed decision. That's really what I'm trying to do. So go to estatemeeting.com, set that up. Otherwise, if you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to share with someone, please share it with them. And that's it. I'm Christopher Small. I'm the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning. We do probate. We do it well. Thank you for your time. Have a great day, a great everything. I'll probably talk to you again tomorrow.